Hi guys, welcome back to That's How DIY. As you can see, I'm in my lovely garage. We're gonna do a project here about rey'sstaff. Now I have some PVC pipe. I think this is 3/8. No, not 3/8, sorry, 3/4. I meant 3/4. And as you can see, this piece is a little bit shorter than I am. So I had to get a little short little one so that I could glue it, and then we're gonna cut it like, what was it, 4 inches? Yeah, taller than me, because that's about how the ratio of hers is. So that's what I'm gonna do first. I have 2 different glues that I'm gonna try. I'm not exactly sure. I'm kind of guessing on this one, but I'm documenting everything so that you know the mistakes and what not to do if I mess up. So the first lovely glue that we're gonna try is, oh, I don't know if you can see if it's backwards. It's DevCon Home Weld It All-Purpose Adhesive. It says plastics on here, so it should work with the PVC, or we're just gonna get some good old contact cement. So I will do that. I will let it dry and I will get back to you guys. This is going to be a multi-step process, so hope you're ready for the journey. Hey guys, I'm back. Glue did not work, but duct tape always does. So I duct taped about that much onto it, making the PVC pipe a solid 6 feet tall. It's gonna get covered eventually, so I'm not worried about it. And so next step is going to be covering parts of this in foam. I got some black foam in different widths and just kind of sheets of it so I can cut it to however I need it. I also have some fabric cutters. Here, get it out of the bag, show you guys. So they kind of look like this, with little safety things on, because I need that. So simple as that, and then you know, you get a nice straight line. Ruler's important. This is also used for fabric. Sorry, I keep looking at the screen, making sure you guys can see everything. Okay, and then I just have a cutting mat. Sorry, a weird mood. Okay, so I'm gonna start cutting some fabric and kind of mapping out where I want it to go, and that's the next step. So see you next time. Hi guys. So it's been quite a few days that I've been working on this, but I haven't been able to document my progress. So this is like day 7 or something, I don't know, but I will show you what I have so far. So the top of her staff, I kind of had to eyeball where things were going, but one tip that I will say is that this part right here that has the little, sorry, that has the notch right there and it's between those two, it should fit your hand. I figured out. Because actually later, spoiler alert, she turns like this part into her new lightsaber. So this part should be pretty comfortable to hold in your hand. For the coil, I just got some paracord from a hardware store. So I've just, like this, you can see the foam. I just continued to layer. This part is the same as this part, so a lot of repetition on that. And then for the other side, this is how far I got. I know that there's a lot more that goes on in between, but I think I might just leave it blank because the strap that I got isn't exactly as long as I would like it to be, so I might have to customize that a little bit so you guys can do more in the middle, like how it's supposed to look, or you could just stick with the two ends. Again, more paracord, just different color. So the next step will be spray painting it. I got some black. It's supposed to have like a hammered look to it, so it's kind of like metal. So I'm not exactly sure how this is going to turn out. I will show you guys, and I may have to go over it in just some plain matte black spray paint. So I will let you know if the hammered black looks okay or not so much. So that will be the next checkpoint, and see you then. Okay guys, I am so stoked. I almost dropped it. Okay. So I did the first coat of this wonderful spray paint. That's what it's called. Again, the hammered look, like, let's see if it'll focus on that. I don't know if you can see that on the lid. That's kind of what it looks like. But, I mean, let's see if I can get this. The foam pretty much soaked up all the spray paint, and the paracord I need to go over with just regular black paint, because it would take a long time to get that completely black. I can talk. But the middle, hopefully it focuses. There we go. It has that awesome metal texture to it, and I love it. And so that's all the PVC in the middle that will take that texture and, you know, make it look like how it's supposed to. Again, on the other end, I'm gonna have to paint the cord, but I just wanted to show you guys that middle part. There we go. It keeps focusing. I'm just so stoked on how it turned out. So I will check in once I paint this black, and also add some brown and silver to the foam parts, because I want to that to look a little bit more weathered as well. But that was just one coat of this spray paint, and I think it turned out pretty awesome. So check in with you next time. Hey guys, okay, I know I look a mess. My hair's a mess, but I wanted to update you guys before I did anything else, because I've been doing a lot. So wow. First of all, the paracord is now completely black. I used just some regular black acrylic paint to do that. It did take a while to dry, so if it takes a while, don't freak out. Just like wait a day before you do anything else. Did that on the other side too, but then I added some silver paint. Wow, okay, I'm gonna try. Here, maybe if I move this. Sorry guys. Oh, there we go. So you can see I added some silver paint to the parts where there would be more kind of wear and tear on the metal. Just, here, I'll show you the other end too. It's pretty much the same thing, just around the edges here and on these, and I just chose to do that one side. I did try to add some to the paracord, but it didn't really turn out the same way as it did on the foam. So I would definitely suggest that you do that. Add the silver paint to the, again, the parts where there would be kind of wear and tear on metal or whatever kind of paint is on the metal. I forgot one part of my video for hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Okay. So, for the middle part, like where there's the fabric pieces. For the brown, I got some leather. It is quite a bit shinier than I wanted it to be. I guess I could do it inside out, but this is kind of the only color that I could find that was close enough to the brown that she has on there. So I'm gonna cut this into strips and then just hot glue it around the middle part. For the kind of off-white, I got some cheesecloth, but it was so white when I got it that I had to tint it with actually putting it in tea. So I made a big batch of tea, and there's still some loose leaves in here, but just kind of let it sit there for a while, and then once it dried out, then it just kind of took on the kind of off-white, kind of worn and dirty look that I was going for. So that definitely worked out for me. Again, if you want to just do white, you can, but I was trying to get the dirtier kind of look. And so I will also just be hot gluing that around the middle part. And so that will be the next part of this video. So see you then. Hey guys, doing the end vlog style. I don't know what this was because I'm gonna be moving the camera a lot. Okay, finally got it done. Yeah. And first of all, I want you to see the height of this thing. Oh yikes. There we go. Yeah, it's tall. It's great. I love it. And here, there's the, oh wait, I already showed you the silver. What am I doing? I need to show you the middle part. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Let's see if this works. Okay, okay, here we go. Yes, okay. Excuse the bed, but I got the middle part done. So, for the buckle, I just got one of these, and then I used the same leather that I used for wrapping around the middle. And then this is the cheesecloth that I showed you last time. This strap, again, not exactly the right kind of strap for her staff, but I mean, it's what I had, so I just used it. Also, here I just decided to hot glue the attachments instead of try to get the snaps into the leather. So that's something that you can definitely do if you want to try the snaps. You can just add them to these. These are two kind of H-shaped. Here, I'll have a little picture over here somewhere. So that's what they look like when they're flat. Then again, the buckle, so I just wrapped the leather around and hot glued it. Same with the cheesecloth, and I just did like leather, leather, and then one farther down, and then the two cheesecloth pieces right in the middle of the staff. Again, since the strap is a bit different, like this, if you had a longer strap, it would be up here. So just adjust it to what you need for what you're using. But yeah, I mean, I'll have pictures at the end of what it looks like kind of in the pieces, but that's it, guys. I mean, this was great. This was fun. You can see my slippers. But yeah. So, okay, let's see if this works. Okay. There we go. So, hope you guys found that helpful. If you're wanting to do this yourselves, if you have any questions or comments, and also I would love to see your guys' creations of this if you do decide to try this out. So, comment those pictures and comments below, and I will see you next time on That's How DIY. See ya!